I'm Glacy Lopez. I am a restaurateur for about 14 years now. But about 4 years ago, me and my partners opened up Kamalansi Cafe and quite recently Kamalansi Kitchen in Thonglo in Bangkok. And these two restaurants have been the most passionate and been about. We really poured a whole lot of ourselves into this project. And we're quite happy where we are right now. And we're looking forward to taking it to a bigger and better. I'm currently in the restaurant business. Like I said, me and my partners, we run both Kamalansi Cafe and Kamalansi Kitchen. We are a restaurant that focuses on Filipino food, and we also on Filipino hospitality. We have an all-Filipino team, and it may not seem a big goal, but then what we notice is that Filipino food is quite misrepresented sometimes, and people don't quite understand it. So we're hoping that with our two restaurants, we'd be able to bring a better understanding and appreciation also of Filipino food. Filipino food is so good when it's done right. With our all-Filipino team we have at the back of the house, we have all Filipino chefs from all different parts of the Philippines who understand Filipino food from the very core of their hearts. Also, our front of the house team is also Filipinos because we believe that Filipino hospitality is one of the best in the world. With that, we usually use locally sourced ingredients, but then we have a very talented chef, our partner, Chef Chang, who can bring in the true Filipino flavor to these local ingredients that we source. It's all about heritage recipes and putting our whole heart into it. And that's what the business that we're in right now. It's really about bringing Filipino food to a wider audience, especially here in Bangkok, where it's such a foodie city. We're hoping we can make a mark for Filipinos. Recommended to me by a restaurateur friend of mine. And when I was looking at it, it so happened that I was looking for a sustainable way to serve a quality water to our guests. So looking at the profile of VIVAREE, it really matched what we needed. It was about quality water and about sustainable practices. So it was a perfect fit. It was a no-brainer for us. I think sustainability is actually a practice that everyone should embrace, especially for restaurants. Restaurants make such an impact with the environmental footprint when it comes to using of single-use plastics and also about locally sourcing ingredients. So it's very important that we embrace sustainability. It is very hard to have a business without having sustainability in mind. Everyone has to be aware about the socio-economic impact that they have and the environmental footprint that they can leave with their businesses. We have always been looking at ways to reduce single-use plastic, but be able to also serve the best quality water that we have to our guests. Here in Bangkok, the only options would be plastic in bottles, which have better quality, or local brands that are in glass bottles, but the water itself isn't so good, and it does affect the quality and the taste of the food. The other option would be to use Italian brands and French brands, but then that also has a very deep impact on the carbon footprint because all of those brands get shipped in. So having VIVAREE as a partner working with us for our water and supplying for our guests, it's the best option that we have. Not only does it come in a very nice bottle that is also operationally easy to clean, the best quality water that is with minimizing our ecological impact and also reducing single-use plastics.